No one likes to think about personal protection, but unfortunately, it's a fact of life. Thousands of Australians suffer serious illnesses and accidents or die unexpectedly every month. Regrettably, we're not talking about possibilities. We are talking probabilities. Have you ever wondered what would become of your family if something happened to you? Wouldn't it be reassuring to know that you had created a safety net? Your family's living expenses could continue to be paid. Medical bills could be reimbursed. And your kids' education expenses could be met, just as you'd intended. If something serious happens, your family's bills will keep coming. Monthly mortgage repayments, health insurance plans, credit card bills, council rates, and so many other expenses. Would you like your family to be protected? Our personal protection plans are designed to provide your family with affordable financial security in the event of illness or injury, and to protect your loved ones in case of an untimely death. Talk to a Numeric Wealth personal protection specialist today to be sure you are headed in the right direction. Numeric Wealth, helping you feel clear and confident about your family's financial future.